Good evening, everyone. Welcome to CMedu Awards. And this is not your class anymore, so you can, you know, enjoy. All right. So my name is Sushant. I think most of you know me. I help in the sound part of things. I work in the sound department, and so today, since past 1 month, we have been working on the CMedu Awards, and you guys have been working on it. Your music, your films, your VFX, your games, and a lot of other things, right? So we have reached a conclusion to it, and we are going to announce the winners today. Okay. So what we are going to do is we're going to go department by department, and we are going to announce the winners for the awards and each category as well. All right. The sound department is the first one to go. Okay. Now we know the sound department can make anyone sound good, even if you can't sing. Okay. So to begin with, sound department, the first category is electronic music. For the sound department, can we have the video of the nominees?
Like the Holy Grail, I look at you to feel. I can't let the demons fly. Rain from my You've got me wrong. The way you look at me, it's like we share a secret bond. इस रास्ते में अब मुझको तुम पाओगे नहीं. अब चल पड़ा. Cause I'm not a you, and you're not a me, and this is something we gotta make our peace.
Happiness my goal, and you're truly a keeper. No one will ever keep up the time we spend together. Starting to see all the shine, all the minds we left behind, plus having a wonderful time.
इस रास्ते में अब मुझको तुम पाओगे नहीं. अब चल पड़ा हूँ जो तो फिर मैं लौटूंगा नहीं. होले होले से ये कहे दिल मेरा, कह तू तुझसे दिल की बात. Where are we going and are we going in blind? Seen this story 1,000 times. ਜਾਂਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਜਾ ਦਿਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਮੇਰੇ ਬਸ ਜਾ. थोड़ा जा वेरते सजा.
Wow. The tracks were really good. It sounded as if it was out of some record label or something. I feel it sounds like that. So the kind of tracks, I'm from sound department, I can say that the tracks were really good, and it was the level that we expect from the students, right? So moving on to our first award, is going to be in electronic music category, and the first award is Best Production, and the award goes to, any guesses? Okay, so the award goes to Johan Daniel. Awesome. Good work. And the next award in the same category, electronic music, is the best mix. The award goes to Johan Daniel again. So, Johan, do we have Johan on this call? Johan, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can you
sir.
say- Can you say a few things about the track that you have submitted?
Yeah, sir. So I want to create something that's really unique and like that's supposed to not, like something that's not supposed to be done in a particular way. And I just went on breaking all the rules. And yeah, so that was pretty much my idea for the track.
So isn't that what we all do? Breaking the rules.
Yeah. Sir.
I'm not talking in real life. I'm just talking in music. Okay.
Yes.
Just to be clear. Okay.
Yes,
Thank you so much, Johan.
Yeah, sir. Thank you, sir.
Moving on, the next category that we have is metal and rock. Okay. For metal and rock, we have category. We have the best track, and the award for the best track goes to, any guesses? Anyways, so the best track award goes to Aditya Kotkar. Aditya Kotkar, are you there? Okay, fine. Let's move on to the next one. In sound, folk and other category, the first award is best track. For the best track, the award goes to Singdadeep Nag. Are you there? Singdadeep? Okay, moving on. The pop. In pop section, we have the best track, which goes to Atmesh Bajpai.
रास्ते में अब मुझको तुम पाओगे नहीं.
Atmesh, are you
Yes,
there?
I'm here. Yes, I'm here.
Can you talk a little bit about your track that you submitted?
Yes. So sir, Raste happened. It happened. My partner, he wrote this track because he was going something related to that. So he wrote that and he sent the lyrics to me, and then I started composing it. So, and it happened by mistake. We were not planning to make Raste in this pop genre. We were trying to make it in a different thing, but it happened somehow.
Awesome. All accidents are good accidents, I guess.
Yeah, yes, sir, definitely.
Only while working.
Yeah.
Just to clarify. Okay, moving on. The next category is score for film or game. Okay. So the best score award goes to Mohammad Nabil Zubair. Are you there? Nabil? Okay. So now the next section is an overall across all genres. Okay. So we have a couple of awards irrespective of the genres, like the barriers and everything. So the best lyrics. Okay. So the award for best lyrics goes to David Emmanuel.
Cause I'm not a you and you're not a me.
David, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Say something about your track.
It's very, it was written out of a place of a lot of angst and a lot of sadness. So,
Okay.
I didn't plan to make this track that long, as it was like 7 minutes and 4 seconds. And
Whoa.
this track was, I just wanted something to be a little different. So, exploring the alternative genre, I kind of just loved writing this, and to watch it, come alive actually into a better song that I was imagining in my head was something that was like a dream come true. So yeah, thank you, sir. That means a lot. And
As long as you enjoyed, right?
oh, I loved the whole process. So thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. So the next award across all genres, we have Best Composition. And the award for Best Composition goes to again Aditya Kotkar. Aditya, are you there? Okay, I don't think he's there. Okay. Now, from sound department, I would like to call Johnston, sir, and just to say a few things about all the submissions and all the tracks that he has heard.
Thanks, Sushant. It was definitely congratulate everyone who won this. And on the behalf of all the judges, I can assure you that this was not an easy job to pull out one winner from any of these, submissions. It was a great experience. We had a lot of fun listening to fresh music. And on behalf of everyone, I would like to wish all of you guys all the best. Keep making good music, and all the best for your futures. Thank you. Over to you, Sushant.
The next department is a very important department that we are going to go. And if you guys are lazy, don't like going to the gym, this is the department that you're going to go. Get in touch with. That's the VFX department. They can give you 6-pack abs wherever you want. Even your forearms can have 6-pack. It's up to you. Okay, let's look at the nominees video. The VFX department, the first category that we have for awards is Creative Package Shot Design with VFX. Okay, in this category, the first award is Best Concept. The Best Concept award goes to Jaswant Kumar. Jaswant, are you there on the call? Okay, fine. I don't think he's there. Let's move on. The Best Ad award goes to Krishna Dusane. Krishna, are you there on the call?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. can you tell us something about this project that you submitted?
Yeah, sir. Like it actually began with one FX shot, and then it started like slowly getting bigger and bigger. And it was actually a team effort. Actually, like if my team wasn't there, I won't be able to submit this big of a project. So, yeah.
Oh, fair enough. But good work.
Yeah. Thanks, sir.
Awesome. So moving on, the next category we have is 3D animation. In 3D animation category, the best animation award goes to Pavsi Mauli Jalinder. Pavsi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us about your work?
Yes, sir. The main theme for this was the pandemic, and as we all know, it has been great working online. The team members were too good for this work, so all this was a team effort. That's
okay.
all.
We have Rahul Singh from the VFX department. Rahul, can you say a couple of things to the students?
Yeah, thank you. So it was like good evening to everyone. So I'm incredibly pleased to see the contribution of each and everyone who participate in the CMedu Awards. It's like so many enthusiasm and good works were there. I thank all students who work hard and submitted their work. Good to see this beautiful and awesome amount of works, amount of efforts you have put in your work, and the entries which you throughout the contest. Right? It shows like how you are determined and how you are passionate about your work. And congratulations to all the winners and keep your good work. At last, just want to say that to succeed in life, you have to give your best shot, work hard, and be a good human being. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Rahul. We have the game art department. So when you are looking at game art, it's all about the art and the drawing, sketches, and everything. I remember I have a few colleagues who draw beautifully, and the part that is amazing is that these guys can draw that in such a short time. If I sit to draw, I can't even draw a stick figure straight. That's the problem. It's very amazing and it's beautiful. So the game art department, we have the nominees. First, department. The first category that we are looking at is conceptual art, character design, and in this category, the best concept award goes to Chirag Shetty. Chirag, are you there on this call?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Chirag, can you tell us about your concept?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Actually, I'm basically from VFX department, and I was working with this thing, pandemic thing. And keeping in that mind, I went to Chernobyl pandemic warrior thing, and I just yes sir.
Thank you, Chirag. Moving on, the next category that we have is environment design. Sorry, game art. The best look and feel award, it goes to Ayan. Ayan, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you tell us?
Yeah, like basically my concept was, to give a feeling of something that is crowded and also, you don't know what is there. So I added some fog and everything. I just played around with it to give it a very desolate feel to it.
Thank you so much, Ayan. From game art department, we have Lokesh sir. Lokesh, can you say a couple of things?
Thank you, Sushant. A very good evening to all of you. This is Lokesh Sharma from Game Art Department. First of all, I like to congratulate all the winners and nominate students who have participated in CMEDU Awards in Game Art category. Your artworks are really appreciable and good. And those who are not winning this time, don't worry and keep polishing your skills and imaginations. And yes, as you know, that we have theme to be followed in this event, that is pandemic. So we have selected the winners who followed the theme correctly and also use imaginations and creativity. So, and yes, that is also true that we were expecting more participations in the artworks. And yeah, last but not the least, I want to thank you all students for participating in SEAM Awards. Without your continued support, we would never be able to put on an event like this. So thank you so much. Over to you, Sushant.
Thank you, Lokesh. So moving on, we have the game development department. Okay. Let's look at the nominees in the game development department. Okay, looking at our first category, augmented reality. Okay, so the first award in augmented reality is the best implementation, and the award goes to Rahul Kumar. Rahul Kumar, is Rahul with us?
Oh, yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Rahul, can you tell us about your submission?
I guess it was the last moment when I just started before 2 days only, and
Okay.
I just completed at 11:50. I guess 59. I barely remember that, and that was a great experience for me. And I'm the only one who just making this game, sir. I'm the yes, the only one member, no team member with me.
I hope you enjoyed the whole process altogether.
Yes.
Okay, moving on to the next category, we have conceptual environment design. So we have conceptual environment design, and the award for out of the box theme goes to Rahul R. Rahul, do we have Rahul R with us?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here.
Yeah, Rahul, can you tell us about your submission, please?
Yes, sir. Actually, what I was thinking that after few days, as you know, winter and Christmas and all things are coming. So, like, I just made an environment that people go for their vacations to like some winter island, and just for more fun and like more effects, I added the snowfall and bit of animations, and the result came out pretty good. So,
Awesome.
thank you so much.
Thank
so
you,
much.
thank you. Okay, so the next category that we are looking at is 2D game. Okay, so in 2D game, the first award that we have is best game. All right, and the award goes to Rahul Jeevan. Rahul?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Well, thanks
Can you
for
switch on your camera, please?
Sir, I'm like, I have some internet issues. I wish I would go for speaking.
Okay, no problem. Continue, please.
Yeah. So this game, I think I used the entire period you gave us to make the game, and I think this was the third version of the game because first version was so newbie type, and yeah, actually it was like I made 3 versions, and out of 3, the third one came really good.
Okay.
And yeah, no other motivation else. My parents. That's all. Working alone happily. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So one thing I want to say, not to you, Rahul, just in general, the whole game development department looks like a Shah Rukh Khan film to me. Everybody is Rahul. I don't know why, but just a stupid joke. Okay, from game development department, do we have? Can we have Chandra Pratap Singh to say a few things about the whole department and the competition? Chandar, are you there?
First of all, I want to say, big round of applause for the winners and the participants of CMED Award 2K21. These are difficult times, to be honest, and as the pandemic, overshadowed most of the usual activities. But the enthusiasm and the zeal of our students did not fade. And that's the main point of it. And in times where meeting face-to-face was not an option, they somehow found a way to collaborate and come up with such quality projects, whether be it in the field of augmented reality or in general gaming environments. And I would like to convey my deepest gratitude and appreciation to the students who are able to produce games in conceptual environment design, 2D, and of course, augmented reality in such dark times. But as it goes, every dark cloud has a silver lining, right? These awards are just going to make these guys stronger. I would imagine nothing less but the unconditional support from the faculty and unrestricted effort of our students, which make the CMED Awards 2K21 a complete success. Carry on like this forever and ever in the coming, many more years to go. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. So moving on, let's get to the photography department. Let's have our nominees. photography department, the first award that we are looking at is Best Documentary Photographer, and the award goes to Aditya Mehtre. Aditya, do we have Aditya on the call? Aditya?
Hello?
Yeah. Aditya.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us about your submission, please? Say a few things here and there.
I wasn't that much expected that I got this award, but I am very happy for that. Thank you, CMedu, for this.
Thank you so much, Aditya. Moving on, we have the next award is Best Fashion Photographer. The award for Best Fashion Photographer goes to Trishagni Barua. Trishagni, can you say a few things?
Yes, sir. So basically, during the pandemic, so we all were locked down at our homes. So we didn't have the studio access, neither lighting, nothing. So I thought, why not create at home? So whatever equipments I had, equipment in the sense I had natural light, that's all. And I just made my own background, called my friends to, help me with the shoot, and hence the image.
Awesome. Good work.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So moving on, the Best Landscape Photographer. The award for Best Landscape Photographer goes to Paul Christopher. Do we have Paul with us?
Yeah, sir.
Paul, can you tell us about your submission?
Yeah, sir. This was shot in Kolkumalai, if you know that. It is the border of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, sir. I just want to tell thanks to CMedu and to thank you, Jesus, for letting me win. So, thank you.
Thank you. So the next award we have is Portrait Photography. The award for portrait photography goes to Ayush Chaturvedi. Ayush, do we have Ayush on the call? No, I don't think Ayush is here. Let's move on. Best Wildlife Photographer. The award for Best Wildlife Photographer goes to Laishram Singh. Laishram, are you there? Okay. I don't think he's here. Moving on, the Best Product Photographer. The award for Best Product Photographer goes to Pratik Shelke. Pratik, are you there? I don't think Pratik is there.
He's not well, so he won't be able to turn on his mic.
Oh, what happened? Is he okay?
He has a fever, sir.
Acha, okay, cool. From photography department, can we have Alok sir to say a few things?
First of all, congratulations to all the winners as well as the students who got nominated. So, considering the pandemic situations and lockdowns, the kind of work you have done and the entries, the response we have got for the awards was really good. And it was hard for the judges also to, select which image would be best. But still, very good work, and we hope that even for the next awards, you work harder and submit better images. These were the good, but still, you can take a step further and have produce a better images. So once again, thank you again. Yeah, Sushant, over to you.
Thank you, Alok.
Thank you.
So the next department that we are looking at is journalism department. Now, when you're talking about journalism department, I think they were one of the COVID warriors who were, informing people about what to do and what not to do. So it's a very, it's a serious job, I think, journalism. And so we need to celebrate as much as we celebrate the doctors and everyone. We need to celebrate our journalists as well. Okay. So moving on in journalism department, let's look at the nominees.
कैसे बीमारी हो जाता है, हम लोग करा देंगे कम ही है तो क्या नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता, रस्सी बांध के अंदर जाता है आदमी। कोई सरकार मदद नहीं करती, यार कोई लाभ नहीं देता है।
It's been 5 years since Patna has been chosen as an applicant of the National Smart Cities mission by the Government of India. But the city's upkeep, like the garbage collection and maintenance of drains and sewers, continue to depend on traditional methods. For thousands of sewer workers, working conditions have remained unchanged. These men enter manhole to clean dumps without any protective care, thus putting themselves vulnerable to multiple diseases.
To do, and plus COVID is something like, it just drains the life out of you, so you're just almost dead.
18th September we were found positive, and exactly 2 days before that I had lost 2 of my uncles. Like,
कुछ भी गुस्सा आता था, लिटरली गुस्सा आता था।
मेंटली कुछ करने का इच्छा नहीं है। जो पहली चीज 1 मिनट में कर सकते थे, अभी 10-15 मिनट भी नहीं हो रही, 10 मिनट पे भी नहीं हो रही चीज।
मतलब हम घर पे भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं, वो खड्डे में गया, मेरे को घर पे खाना ही नहीं है, मेरे को बाहर जाना है, बाहर के टेबल पे।
That's the one thing, because seeing the sky from your terrace top is different, but actually going to the beach or like going to some place where it's completely open and then just sit and look at nature, that's a different thing.
So the first award in journalism department, we have the best magazine. For the award for the best magazine goes to Vishwajit Kumar. Vishwajit, are you here on the call?
Yes, sir.
Vishwajit, Can you tell us about your submission, please?
ये जरूर सर। तो ये आसान तो नहीं था क्योंकि इस पैंडेमिक के बीच में हम लोगों ने इस मैगजीन को बनाया है। तो अकेले ये संभव तो नहीं था क्योंकि जो चीज़ हमारे टीचर्स ने हमें सिखाया उसके बल और बदौलत पे हमने ये किया। तो सबसे पहले तो मैं सीमेडू को और मैं अपने टीचर्स को धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूँ इसके लिए।
Thank you, Vishwajit. So, moving on, the next award is the best news story. So the award for best news story goes to Anukul Tiwari.
कैसे बीमारी हो जाता है, हम लोग के रात दिन कमी यही है तो क्या नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता, रस्सी बांध के अंदर जाता है आदमी।
कोई सरकार मदद नहीं करती, यार कोई लाभ नहीं देता है।
It's been 5 years since Patna has been chosen as an applicant of the National Smart Cities mission by the Government of India. But the city's upkeep, like the garbage collection and maintenance of drains and sewers, continue to depend on traditional methods. For thousands of sewer workers, working conditions have remained unchanged. These men enter manhole to clean dumps without any protective care, thus putting themselves vulnerable to multiple diseases.
From journalism, can we have Sukhata ma'am say a few words?
Yes, thank you, Sushant.
Thank you.
Yeah, so as you said, yes, journalism, when we talk about journalism, we all thought about how they were covering COVID. And I'm really happy that these students also, they worked during the COVID times. And I guess Anukul's news story was one of them. He worked on Safai Karmacharis, and they were the one who were still working during the COVID times. So yes, Anukul's movie taught us a lot. And also I appreciate the efforts taken by students, each and every student who has taken the efforts. Just wish that we would have had few more entries, but then none. I guess whatever entries we had best entries, and it was difficult to find, to announce one winner. But yes, thanks a lot all the students for participating, and for congratulations for the winners. Over to you, Sushant.
Thank you so much. We have the film department. Now, let's look at the nominees.
PUC इंश्योरेंस।
हाँ सर।
फटाफट निकालो।
हाँ सर।
PUC इंश्योरेंस।
हाँ सर।
फटाफट निकालो।
हाँ सर।
सी PUC इंश्योरेंस।
हाँ सर।
फटाफट निकालो।
हाँ सर देता
crawl space. I just love how you scream when you see me back at your place. You should have tried some Clorox bleach. You should have maybe tried some mace. If you'd have known that when you're sleeping I'd be crawling across your face. And here we go across the floor.
നമ്മൾ ആ ഒരു വർഷം ഗ്യാപ്പ് എടുത്തേരം നമ്മളെ ലൈഫ് എന്താണ്, നമ്മൾ എന്തിനെങ്കിലും ജീവിക്കുന്നത് നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നത്. പലതിലും മാറ്റി ചിന്തിക്കാനുള്ള ഒരു ഇതുണ്ടായി. സാർ അല്ല, കൊറോണയെ കൊണ്ട് ഒരു ഗുണമുണ്ട് ദോഷമുണ്ട്. സാമ്പത്തികമായിട്ട് വളരെയധികം ലോസായി.
खामोशियाँ आवाज है, तुम सुनने तो आओ कभी, छू कर तुम्हें खिल जाएंगी, घर इनको बुलाओ.
पब्लिक प्लेस में स्मोकिंग करना मना है, पता है ना आपको?
बाप को मत सिखा।
कम से कम बच्चे के सामने तो मत पियो। मना कर रहा हूँ ना।
Wow, that looked amazing. In film department, the first category that we have is fiction film. Okay, in this category, the first award that we are looking at is Best Director. So the award for Best Director in film, fiction film, goes to Jatin Oswal.
हाँ यार, लगता है प्लान्स कैंसिल करने पड़ेंगे अपने को यार इस लॉकडाउन की वजह से.
Jatin? Do we have Jatin? I don't think he's here. Moving on. In fiction film category, Best Cinematographer the award goes to Akshat Darji. In the same category, the Best Editing award goes to again Akshat Darji.
जय हिंद चिराग.
Akshat, do we have Akshat?
Yes sir.
Awesome, Akshat. Can you tell us about your the submission?
Yeah. So basically, it was a team effort. Like had to shoot this in very limited time, and it cannot have been done between like without them. So yeah, I owe my team one. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, Akshat.
Thank
In
you, sir.
the same category, fiction, the best sound design award goes to Jatin Oswal. Jatin, do we have Jatin? I don't think he's here. And the best film in fiction category, the award goes to, again, Jatin Oswal. I don't think he's here again. Okay, then moving on to the next category is non-fiction film. Okay, in non-fiction film, the best film award goes to Anupriya.
Next year is now shaping up to be a humanitarian catastrophe.
These scientists warn that if the planet increases...
Do we have Anupriya? Okay. In music video category, the best music video, the award goes to Vishay Mahadev. Do we have Vishay?
Yeah, sir.
Vishay, can you tell us about your submission, please?
So the song was about Sanchari, which means traveler. So the concept is basically like a dancer who travels around the city and reaches a destination, and he's taking inspiration from whatever he sees and uses it in his dance at the end. So, yeah.
Oh, nice. Good work.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next category is TVC PSA. In this category, the best TVC PSA award goes to Aditya Bhatt. Do we have Aditya? I don't think Aditya is here. Moving on from the film department, can we have Ronak ma'am to say a few words?
Yes. Congratulations, everyone. And you all have proved the saying, working in this hard time, like salakhein lohe se nahi, soch se banti hai. Why prefer to crawl when we all can fly? Everyone worked so hard, and I know the situations are very odd, but you have creatively overcome all the hurdles on your way. So congratulations, each and everyone. And also I have penned down few lines I would really like to say to all the participants. Like, राहों की मुश्किलों से हौसला लेना है, हार के सायों को उजाला दिखाना है, जारी रखना है, अपनी उम्मीद को जारी रखना है. Thank you everyone and all the best.
Thank you so much. Okay. So this year in CMEDU Awards, we usually, every year we have a theme, correct? Now this year the theme was pandemic. Since we have been under lockdown since past 2 years, right? We all have gone through a lot, isn't it? So for example, as teachers, we had to move everything online. As students, you had to, sitting in front of a screen as well, for a very long time is not good for your health. So it has affected all of us in past 2 years, but now it's slowly opening up. Hopefully everything goes well, but you can't really say anything, concrete, because the government can just say tomorrow that all of us are going under lockdown and we will have to follow the rules and regulations, correct? And first, not just for safety, our own safety, but safety of others as well. So it has been a roller coaster ride for both of us, you as students and us as teachers, correct? So considering whatever was happening, we decided to go with this theme pandemic, right? Now this award, theme-based award, what happens here is the award is given to someone across one person across all the departments. All right. So this year, the award for theme-based award goes to Yatindra Das. Yatindra, are you there on the call?
So for which award?
Theme-based.
Is who?
Yatindra.
Oh, he's not here.
Okay.
But thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay. So, considering the whole pandemic still going on, stay safe. And just to again clarify, I don't, endorse any beard or any kind of products. Just to clarify. Thank you. One more thing that I would like to tell you is all the winners across all the departments, you will get a mail including your certificate and your prizes as well in next 2 days. All right. So just hold on and you will receive your mails and your prizes as well. Good work, guys, all of you. Thank you so much for having me as a host, and I'll see you guys soon.